Welcome to the K-Tiger Machines channel, where we unlock the marvels of machinery technology. Prepare yourself for an exhilarating journey as we delve into the timeless power of modern chainsaws and the fascinating world of forestry. Each video is packed with impressive and surprising feats of engineering that will leave you in awe, from the precision of every cut. Experience the thrill of the Woodcracker CS6. 10 saw as it effortlessly slices through branches. Up to 61 centimeters in diameter, this powerful machine sets a new benchmark in performance and efficiency, making it an invaluable tool in forestry operations. The Woodcutter CS610's unmatched cutting capability is a true marvel of modern engineering, demonstrating how technology can simplify even the toughest tasks. Stay tuned to witness more incredible feats and join us in celebrating the power of innovation and technology. Witness the jaw-dropping power of the West-Tech Woodcutter W1350 as it effortlessly splits trees with diameters up to 1,350 millimeters. This machine is not only a powerful asset in the wooden construction industry, but also a testament to the relentless advancement of modern technology. Its sheer strength and efficiency inspire awe and admiration, proving that with the right tools, no challenge is insurmountable. Watch in amazement as this machine demonstrates its capabilities, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments if you're as impressed as we are. Imagine the awe-inspiring sight of the Woodcracker C550 paired with the Hyundai T35 saw, effortlessly slicing through a massive tree trunk in a single cut. Powered by a robust 1.75 horsepower engine, the Hyundai T35 delivers unparalleled reliability and performance. This dynamic duo marks a new era in the forestry industry, where efficiency and precision reach unprecedented levels. Join us as we explore the impressive capabilities of these machines and marvel at the relentless progress of modern technology. The Forestry G888, equipped with a powerful 120 cubic centimeters engine and a 42-inch blade, is designed to tackle the toughest challenges. With its razor-sharp blade makes cutting through ancient tree stumps appear effortless. This saw is a testament to the robustness and efficiency required in demanding forestry operations. Watch as the Holz Formula G888 demonstrates its superior performance and solidifies its reputation as a powerhouse in the industry. The Husqvarna 592 XP saw is a true powerhouse in the wooden construction industry with its powerful engine, ranging from 50 to 60 horsepower, and an adjustable saw bar from 18 to 20 per inches. It achieves unparalleled work efficiency. The roaring sound of its engine in the forest is a testament to its unmatched power. Discover why the Husqvarna 592 XP is considered an indispensable tool for professionals in the field. showdown as the whole formula G88A, Husqvarna 3120, and Steel 880 one saw step into the spotlight. Each cut they make is like a symphony of precision, and power conquering even the biggest and hardest wood. This battle of the titans showcases the peak of strength and performance in the wood industry, opening a new chapter where technology pushes boundaries to new heights. From the land of the rising sun, the Firewood GGG35. The cutting head has quickly dominated the market. With its incredible speed and precision, watching it in action is a captivating experience. As it handles wood with powerful, unexpected accuracy, this cutting-edge technology showcases the pinnacle of Japanese engineering, delivering a performance that leaves viewers spellbound. Don't miss out on witnessing the Iowa Fuji GP35 versus remarkable capabilities in our latest video. Forestry safety is paramount, and the Husqvarna 560X saw ensures that no task is too challenging, even on rough or dirty terrain. This powerful tool brings joy and satisfaction with every completed job, emphasizing the importance of proper protective clothing and equipment experience, the reliability and performance of the Husqvarna 560X. A saw that stands out in both power and safety.